Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All, Educational Videos and Tutorials. In this video today we are going to learn how to find free stuff, free assets on Unity Asset Store site, the marketplace for Unity assets. All you have to do is go to their site assetstore.unity.com, type free in search, and you will get so many free stuff. All of those are free. Some of those look really nice and good and will serve you in your idea in your game well, like for example this pixel adventure pack, or this for example low poly simple nature pack and stuff like that, or human basic motions animation pack. Really great stuff. And although most of the people would say just okay, everyone knew this and everyone could do this, I agree, but most of the people actually forget that today on those modern platforms there are so many free stuff that you can use to create the prototype at least of your game, if not the complete game, and that way save a huge amount of time and money that way also. So yeah, you can say this is like stupid for stupid people and so on. Everyone knew this, but I just wanted to share this because look at this simple polycity low poly assets, or those animals free. If you wanted to create some of those, you would need first of all time to learn the skill of 3D modeling, then the time to create that asset itself and stuff like that. But you can just click on it, add to your Unity account and use it. Some of those are not maybe for commercial use. You will have to check it out in description, but as much as I know, most of them are and look good and work good in your games. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in next one. Bye for now.